Hi, this is Rachelle at Scrapcraftastic, and I am here to work in the Dollar Tree planner. I'm doing the Scrapcraftastic Weekly Planner Challenge, and the prompt this week is watercolor. So I pulled these washies. These two are Simply Gilded. I'm back to using the pastel paisley from Simply Gilded again this week. And then this is Day of the Week washi from Rose Colored Days. I pulled out the Watercolor Girls Agenda 52 sticker book. This is from the Paper Studio. It came out in 2018. And this is what it looks like. I'm sure I could have done something different for the prompt, but since this book is called Watercolor, I rarely use these stickers anymore. I thought this would be a good time to use them. I also cut these two strips of sticker paper. You'll see what I'm going to do with those in a moment. And then I've just kind of been flipping through these sticker books. These are Walmart sticker books. Just looking for some boxes and other deco items that I might be able to use for this spread. This cover is a Moterm cover, and this is the actual Dollar Tree planner. This is last week's spread, and this video will go up Easter Sunday, so happy Easter. But this is what the spread looks like. So we're moving on to the following week. I've already come in and did the whiteout situation. Now, I want to use these dolls in this book. However, the dolls are on clear sticker paper. If I put the clear sticker paper on directly on the Dollar Tree planner, you will see all the lines and everything through the doll. I wasn't sure I wanted that, and I don't think I do. So I cut these strips that could possibly go on the side in a way that I can place the dolls on the strips, but I don't know how I'm going to make that work because they kind of look so much brighter than the paper. I don't know. And then I was thinking, well, could I go around them in a marker or something to match the dolls? Because I'm going for like this turquoisey teal color, pink and the yellow, but I don't know. So let's work on the header while I think about it, and it's probably going to make a difference. This sticker book has very bright colors, so I thought we would go with a fun, bright spread. So, and I wanted to use stickers that are on white paper because I need to cover up these places where I used the whiteout. So, for instance, here, maybe I should just go ahead and put this down. Should we run this washi or this? I think the yellow is a little see-through. Let's see what it looks like. I know I'm being a little wishy-washy with this. Yeah, I think I'm going to use the yellow. It's just too pretty to pass up. And so it doesn't need to go all the way over there because I'm putting the sticker paper there. So I can stop it right about here. And let's go on and put the rest of it down. So those are down. I don't think it's too bad. Then if I put this here, it would probably be cool if I could run something down the side of this, but I don't know if that's going to work. This is all an experiment. So yeah, don't be afraid to try different things. I'm certainly not. Do I want it to go all the way to the edge? No, let's just go to the edge of where these lines are. So then if I were to put this here, let's go on and put the other side down. That's kind of straight. All right, let's see what else we got here that I can use. Let's try these. Okay, so that's a bunch of them clumped together right there. So let's kind of offset that with a little something over here. So I want to put her here. Ooh, don't jump on the paper. I want her to go here. And then let's see if this is it was another doll back here I wanted to use because she looked a little sassy. Her. Looks like I had pulled her up before and didn't use her. So she's gonna go here. Like that. Then I want to use Frye. I never use this. So let's do it. I'm going to put that right there. Or should I move it on completely onto the washi tape? Or should I use it to replace Friday? Let's do that. Now, do I want to run this up here just to add that color? Maybe not. Let's put down some days of the week. See how I'm even going to position those. Let's try that. Hopefully it'll stick because I pulled it up so many times. All right. Let's keep this moving. So now I'm going to use some of these icon and deco stickers that I ordinarily wouldn't use to make like a graphic, I don't know, of icons up there just to make it more fun. Maybe I need to incorporate some of this vertical washi because this is kind of bugging me. So let's see what we can do with this. I think that's going to make it better. Let's move it over just a hair. Okay, I think I've gone overboard. I think this is going to be a fail. Fail. I might end up taking that washi tape off. I might have to do some moving around and adjusting. Do I want to take up this washi tape? This is a struggle spread, so bear with me. I'm trying to get it right the way that I want it. So I'm gonna have to move some things around and hopefully I can salvage it. I think that's a little better. It is way too busy for me. And I probably could make it even more busy. Just embrace the busy. Okay, so all of those little teeny stickers came from, what is this? The seasonal Happy Planner sticker book. This one is from 2016. I didn't use any of those other ones. So pretty much everything here is from either the watercolor book or Happy Planner or Walmart. I just saw a sticker that said, "Don't stop now." So this is it. Not really my typical style, but I try to do something a little different and use up some stickers. Again, the prompt for this week was watercolor. This is for the Scrapcraftastic Weekly Planner Challenge in the Dollar Tree Planner. I see a crooked sticker. I've picked this sticker up 50,000,011 times. I hope you enjoyed this video. If you did, please give me a thumbs up. Also, make sure you subscribe to the channel and hit that little gray bell so that you'll receive notification each time I upload a new video. Be sure to check the community tab and my stories for updates throughout the week. Also, check us out over at patreon.com/scrapcraftastic for exclusive content and digital downloads. Visit my other channel, Journal Life's Journey, for craft videos and junk journals. You can find me across social media at Scrapcraftastic. Visit my website and shop at scrapcraftastic.com. If you have any comments or questions, please leave them below. Thanks for watching, and I'll talk to you later. Bye.